I'm going to pull a fire alarm. Goo 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 goo. Come on, class. Let's go outside. Okay, class. It's fire drills over. Leonardo, you just pulled the fire alarm. It's Mucus did it. Mucus, you do not touch your fire alarm.
No, this was not me, Mr. Hernandez. I just blue turtle just touching fire alarm.
Thank you for telling the truth. Oh my gosh, Leonardo, you're not allowed to touch your fire alarm. Go to principal's office now. So Leonardo, why are you here? I just pulled the fire alarm. Leonardo, how do you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are expelled. Go home right now.
Leonardo the pet psychopath jackass fuckface green bald head.
How do you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded. Group of 9s, group of 8s, group of 7s, group of 6s, group of 5s, group of 4s, group of 3s, group of 2s, 33223, group of 1s, group of 0s. Days, go upstairs to your room now.
Hey.